Okay, everyone. Hopefully you can hear me. The purpose of this video isn't necessarily to cast live at this point, but I am going to quickly document how to fix a black screen when you set OBS to do a display capture. I recently updated OBS because last time I used it, it was working, and today I tried it, and unfortunately I got the black screen. So through trial and error, I figured out how to kind of get it to function again. So I'm going to document that just in case you're experiencing the same issue. Just a moment, my dog is playing with his toy. Here. Come on. Okay, I'm going to say everything I just said again so I can trim that. So anyway, the purpose of this video is to take care of a problem if you are experiencing a black screen, such as you set up your display capture, and you are getting a black screen currently here. I don't have that problem at the moment, but I'm going to explain how I fixed the problem that I did have. So first of all, if you're experiencing the black screen, you've already downloaded OBS, you've kind of attended the workshops, or consumed the videos, or looked at the instructions. So you're wondering how to fix this, and the problem that typically causes this is if you have two different video cards. So to keep it simple, this is what you do to make sure that it's functioning. So first of all, if it's not functioning, you probably have an NVIDIA GPU. That's down here at your system tray, and if you double click it, you will get NVIDIA control panel. And under Manage 3D Settings, you have two tabs here: Global Settings, which you can leave, and then Program Settings. So under Program Settings, you're going to drop down this list and try to find OBS listed here. If it's not listed here, you can click Add. And when you do that, you'll see a variety of programs. And obviously you're going to look for OBS. And when you say OK, it'll add the selected program, which then when this program is running, you can choose which specific graphics settings or graphics processor this program is going to use. So at this point, I just made sure integrated graphics was selected. I pressed apply. And you wait a minute because the computer has to make sure the settings are established. And then within OBS, you still may have the black screen, which you're not going to see what I see at the moment. You're going to go down to Settings here, under File Settings, and then under Video, I don't know if I can do this with the recording running, but under Video, you want to make sure, I'm taking a look to see where they are. Okay, so it's actually under Output, not Video. When you go under Output, you want X264 as your encoder. You don't want this to say NVIDIA, or you could have AMD or any other discrete video card. You want it to say X264. Under Recording, same thing, X264. Audio, it doesn't matter, that should work naturally. And once you've done that, simply, I'm not going to do this because I'll cancel the stream, but close the program and then reinitialize it by turning it back on. And then what you're supposed to do at this point is you're going to hit Add, and you're going to Display Capture, and you're going to give it a name, and you're going to create New. And once you do that, which I'm going to press Cancel, it's going to ask you what device. Your monitor should be listed here, and you should be able to see your mouse kind of live being recorded temporarily. Okay, and if that doesn't work, we can look further into the documentation. You can go to the help portal, visit the website. There's blogs. Obviously, you probably don't want to get down this rabbit hole, but this is kind of where issues are typically discussed and then resolved. So this is where I figured out kind of some of the starting points of how I solved my problem, and I'm hoping that this automatically solves it for you. So that's the purpose of this video, was just to resolve the fact that if you had a black screen, this is how I figured out how to restore functionality. And if you're confused as to what you're seeing here, this is just a recording of a recording of a recording, because the screen itself is being recorded over and over again. So while you are running OBS live, just minimize this, and then you can kind of move on forward. So like I said, this was the forum, black screen, laptop when capturing, and there's a variety of different choices that I could have kind of opted for. There's some screenshots that showed how to change things and so forth. So there's lots of ways to solve your problems if you're willing to dive that deep. But that's how I share my screen quickly, and that's the end of the 6-minute video. Once again, just to fix your black screen. You should have received a list of other links that compartmentize various answers that you might have questions for. Have a good day.